Hello friends, so the last class we saw that could has got many meanings, and we saw that past ability, I could swim those days. Then second you find permission, especially formal situation, can we borrow books from the library, possibility the weather could change anytime, speculation with regret you have, that is, I could have done something that I could not do, disbelief that can never happen, suggestion with criticism, you could have asked pardon, or you could have gone to him and told the story, and finally irony, you could to a skeleton you say you could challenge Hercules. Right. So now what you have to do, exercise is, what you have to do is that you have to find out what meaning each sentence, what meaning could expresses in these sentences. Alright, so let's begin first. You have got, sir, could we go for a film today? That is informal request to a superior authority. So it is permission. Send it, permission. That is permission. Okay, the next one. Yesterday you could do it. Why can't you do it today? That is ability, past ability. Send it. In past ability. I think it is clear to you. Third sentence. During school days we could work without rest. Again same, past ability. Same. Send it. And fourth sentence. The strike could begin anytime. Possibility. Send it. Possibility. The strike could begin anytime. Possibility. Fifth sentence. There could be a sudden change in the weather. Again possibility. You have the same thing. Possibility. Okay. Is that clear? Are you getting? Before the accident, he could run like a rabbit. Past ability. Past ability. And then you have next one, 7. I could have taken a course in music during my school days. Speculation with regret, isn't it? Speculation with regret. He's sorry that he could not take that course. And then you could email to him. You could email that thing to him. That is suggestion. Suggestion with criticism. He did not do it. So suggestion, he did not. He implied that he should have done it. You could email to him. And then another is, we could never expect such a thing from him. Disbelief, isn't it? Disbelief. We could never expect email to him. Then next one, 9 is, we could never expect, that is disbelief. I could have joined the chess club. That is regret or speculation. Speculation with regret. Isn't it? Speculation and regret. Who could be calling now? Possibility. Possibility. Who could be calling now? Or it could also be disbelief. Who could be calling now? Both ways you can see the use of could there. You could try IAS to one who failed in SSLC. That's very clear irony. Isn't it? Somebody has failed in SSLC and the suggestion is given that you can do IAS. Then sure, he could try his luck in smuggling. Again, that is irony. That is also irony. And then, could we go out together? That is permission. Permission. Isn't it? Permission. And what could be his plan? That is possibility. Isn't it? What could be his plan? Could we go, or could we go out together? Can permission, or it can also be possibility. Both. That is whether it is possible for a possibility to go. Understand? So that is how we see the meaning of these sentences. Understand? You could email to him or email him, that also will do. This could be omitted if you want. Alright. So I emailed him. That's quite alright. Email to him. If you want to be so clear about it, we can do that. But without that also it's clear. Okay, so let's once again see. Sir, could we go for a film today? Permission. Yesterday you could do it. Why can't you do it today? That is past ability. During school days we could work without rest, past ability. The strike could begin anytime, possibility. There could be a sudden change in the weather, possibility. Before the accident, he could run like a rabbit, past ability. I could have taken a course in music during my school days, regret, speculation. You could email him or you could email to him. Now, very often the to is omitted, so that's why I have circled it. Now, we could never expect such a thing from him, that is disbelief. I could have joined the chess club, that speculation with regret, I couldn't do it. You could be calling now. Who could be calling now? That is possibility. You could try IS to one who failed, that is irony. And what he says and what he means, totally different. And then you are sure he could try his luck in smuggling, irony again. Could we go out together, that is permission or possibility? See, if you ask somebody, then it is permission. If you are saying to your friend, could we go together, that is possibility. And then you have what could be his plan. What could be his plan, that is possibility. Understand? What could be his plan? So that is possibility. I think now that is clear. So we have seen pure models, one can and the other one is could now. The difference in permission, taking permission or asking permission, can and could is more polite. That's the best. Very important point. In your pragmatics, that is in your day-to-day conversation, and when you are dealing with the people of, say, higher status or authority and so on, you cannot say, can I? See that? Can I go out or can I take this pen? Things like that, you cannot say, could I? You can say, could I? Understand? Then you will get the answer, yes, you could. Or you can. Both way it can be. I think it's clear to you. No problem for you, I think. Clear? So we will move on to the next pure model, that is may, and after that might. So remember I told you, permission, you can could and can. So already we have done can, now this is could. Could is the past form of can. Clear? Okay? See you. Take care of your health and have a nice day. Bye.